Even though Neeta Ambani has gone gaga over her elder daughter-in-law Shloka Mehta, things are not that rosy behind the scenes. Anyone who has closely watched the family will know that Neeta is not a big fan of Shloka and instead prefers her younger daughter-in-law Radhika Merchant. According to sources, Shloka doesn't exactly fit Neeta's idea of Ambani standards. Since Shloka is not conventionally beautiful, Neeta does not prefer her to be on the limelight. In her marriage to Akash Ambani, Shloka takes charge of things and runs the show, which bothers Neeta because it means she no longer has full control. Since Neeta did not accept his relationship with a Pakistani lawyer, Akash is rubbing on her face by portraying Shloka as his number one woman. He is on a power trip and at least in public moments he shows that Neeta is nothing to him. This clearly upsets Neeta and this could also be the reason she gives extra attention and love to Radhika. When the Ambanis went to the high-end designer store Chanel in Paris during the preparations for Anant and Radhika's wedding, Neeta verbally abused Shloka the entire time, dictating every detail about what she had to wear and how long or short each piece had to be on her. Shloka had no say in her outfits at all. It seemed like everything Shloka did upset Neeta. When Shloka wanted to try on outfits, Neeta refused and instead picked out clothes for her, almost forcing her into them. The whole family came to pick out outfits for the wedding, trying things on late at night. They had a huge suite with food, drinks, dinner, and a lounge area, all set up just for them at around 2 a.m. Chanel kept the store open just for them and had enough staff to manage everything. Only women staff were present to help the women try on couture gowns and ready-to-wear pieces, helping with zipping, buttoning, and taking measurements. There were about 4 to 5 women on the Chanel team in the private fitting rooms to assist with this. In the middle of this, Akash Ambani behaved inappropriately, repeatedly trying to go into the women's changing area to watch his sister change, not even his wife, but his own sister. The Chanel staff told him multiple times that it was a women-only space, but he kept trying to go inside while his sister was changing. The private suite was specifically for women to try on clothes, and only women staff were allowed to help with the garments. There was a separate changing area for the women to put the garments on, and they would step out to show their family the outfits. Akash kept trying to enter this women-only section, and each time, he was escorted back to the lounge area and told not to enter. It was very uncomfortable for the staff and he was almost banned from future fittings. However, they couldn't ban him because the Ambanis are one of Chanel's highest-paying clients. Shloka seems to be putting up with a lot as she has no airs of being a billionaire. Her dorm mate at Princeton only realized she was extremely wealthy when she found out Shloka was marrying into the Ambani family. She didn't have the same habits as other wealthy students at Princeton and the person never saw Shloka as someone who would settle to be a housewife. To her, Shloka just seemed very professionally ambitious at that time.